what is one expense, no matter what it costs, that you would recommend audience members listening to invest in?
People. Number one
That's
way
a
to, for me, it's about customer experience. The only way we can provide the customer experience that we want is with people. There are people here to keep the store clean. Having people here keeps the unsavory elements from even wanting to come in the store. You look at our reviews; they're going to talk about the two things you're going to hear in the reviews of our store are all right to my people: the cleanliness and the friendliness. So invest in people.
yeah, that's a good commodity. How about you, Jake?
Yeah, I mean, what I had down here, I'm gonna change. I completely agree with Brian. If people, I was thinking of more hardware, but no, I mean, we have three core values. The number one is customer service, incredible customer service. And honestly, the reason that I'm able to manage this laundromat 100% remote, like an hour a week, is because of those people. They can either create issues or they can eliminate issues and you never hear about them. So yes, totally people. Now, if I couldn't use that as an answer, I would say a laundry card system. I would have no interest in being in this business without a laundry card system.
You don't want to take buckets and collect quarters
Absolutely
and
not. Yeah. I mean, the analytics, like all these things that myself and Brian are talking about, you just can't get them without a laundry card system.
So I'm going to move over to a question because it's kind of based on what we said. And so I don't necessarily want to get into exactly what you pay employees, because that data is going to vary and whatever. But I guess to you both, do you pay minimum wage, well above minimum wage, percentage above minimum wage? What's sort of your theory for paying your employees?
Moderately above minimum wage. And I'm in a fun spot where after 2 weeks from now, all the members of my team will have been here for at least 3 years. So like I am paying more for labor than per hour, but I am glad to pay it right now because
Right.
my team is freaking awesome.
Yeah. How about you, Jake?
Yeah, we're moderately above minimum wage as well. I've found it's really finding the right people and the fit more than just trying to pay your way to the best people, especially in this industry. Because I don't think you'll ever be able to pay for the right amount of dedication and pride and ownership at an employee level that we're dealing with. Because we can't afford to pay them $30 or $40 an hour. So it's finding that right person.